2J here, and what we're gonna do today is basically take the head off. We have to get the cams off, the intake off. We have to put some head dowels in. So let's get started.
Came out.
So what I had to install was basically the head dowels right here and tighten everything down. I mean, it's basically a tool to align the head, which is right there. The center head. It aligns it so it'll be right over top of the cylinders. It's good, huh? So this is what it looks like. What we have to do is put the cam caps on, cam seals, and everything right here. What we're gonna do is find out the orientation that these have to be put back in. I'm pretty sure it's something that can do with these, like dowel things coming out of the cams, and figure out what orientation and how to, like the orientation to clock the actual cam, and figure out which is the best. Because the last thing I want to do is mess something up, right?
So I got everything else back together. Took me a while because, you know, holiday things, but everything looks good. The only things that I'm really looking forward to now is getting my flywheel, which is down here. Starter, alternator. I have my turbo feed line ran. I just gotta clock my turbo. Gotta make some hoses for the fuel lines. I gotta drill my turbo drain and, you know, wire it up. I got my harness right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Got my, you know, relay panel or fuse block, whatever you guys want to call it. But yeah, it's coming together soon. It's gonna be a beast. Look, let me just get this. Let me get it. Look at that. Oh boy. Oh boy.